What?
Oh no no,
What?
something is wrong. My goal is in danger, what's going on? I need to think how to get you out. My pretty doll, I will help you out. 5 little fingers working hard. The princesses will save you fast. We are a team, we'll help you, don't worry. We never stop, we always have a goal. Work magic doors, wow, wow, wow. A whole new world you hide inside. Adventure awaits on the other side. Let's go now and enjoy the ride. Oh no, something is wrong. My goal is in danger, what's going on? I need to think how to get you out. My pretty doll, I will help you out. 5 little fingers working hard. The princesses will save you fast. We are a team, we'll help you, don't worry. We never stop,
Excellent.
we always have a red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark.
Whoa.
Red.
Ew.
Let's go now and enjoy.
Holy cow.
Dragons fly up sky high, high. Eggs falling from the sky, sky, sky. It's super fun, just like
Yeah.
a dream. We need a spark.
Yeah.
Kick, kick, kick.
Wow.
At the airport, ready to fly. I want to take my drinks with me in that sky. Airport check, can see everything. They have a super X-ray machine.
Oh no.
Oh no, no, safety rules. Your drinks are not allowed to go through.
At the airport, ready to fly. My bag is too heavy to fly in the sky. Airport check.
Oh.
Banana, 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 where are you? I am banana. Do-do-do-do-do. Banana, banana, who is there with you? Banana, banana, no that won't do. I'm banana, banana, I'm banana, that is the real me. I'm banana, banana, I'm banana, that is the real me.
Hello, mommy.
Strawberry, 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 where
Hello,
are
Mommy.
you?
Hey girl.
When we make
Ow!
a mess,
What is it?
dirty mess.
Sorry.
Yucky, yucky mess. The insects will come live with us. Roll just like it's dirty. Roll just like it's smelly. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Ooh, yucky, yucky, yucky. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean. Insects, stay away. It's not a place for you to stay. Hey,
Yes.
hey.
Hide and seek. We're playing hide and seek. Go, go,
This is for you. Oh.
Hide and seek.
Whoa!
Hello, hello, orange shark.
Oh,
Hello,
no.
hello, orange shark. Hello, hello,
Ah.
turn around and show your fin. Orange shark. Hello, hello, orange shark. Hello, hello, orange shark. Hello, hello, come on, show us how you swim.
Orange shark, shark, shark. Orange shark, shark, shark. Orange shark, shark, shark. Orange shark, shark, shark. Orange shark, shark, shark.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, yum, yum. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, here I come.
Yum, yum, yum. So juicy, so crunchy, crunchy. Yum, yum, yum. So tasty and munchy, munchy. Yum, yum, yum. It is really cool. I am so full.
Wow! Aha! Let's go!
Oh no!
Ew!
Nice.
Great! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Boom!
I lost my doll at the grocery store. Help me find my doll. My basket was here, but now it's gone. I don't know what to do.
1,
Oh no,
2,
no.
3, 4, 5.
We will search everywhere. Don't you worry, must be somewhere.
Aha!
When you're at the grocery store, you must be really careful. It's really easy to lose your things if you don't have them very neat. Tickly runny nose makes me sneeze very loud. Boogers are so yucky, sticky, gooey, gluey, and so drippy. Baby, have some medicine. It will take the boogers away. Medicine is good for you when you're not feeling okay. Yay! Tickly runny nose makes me sneeze very loud. Booger. Red shark, hello, hello. Hello, hello, red shark.
Okay.
Hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark.
Banana,
What's happening?
banana, banana, banana.
Uh-huh.
Hey monkey, here I come. Banana,
Whoa.
banana, 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 banana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor.
Hey, girl.
Uh-huh. Misbehaving.
Whoa!
Oh, somebody
6 minus 1 equals 5.
don't worry, she will help.
5. 5 minus 3 equals 2.
Yes,
5 minus 1 equals 4.
Awesome!
I'm really hungry.
Ah.
Is that
Hmm.
cotton candy? It looks so tasty. I want to take a bite. My pretty doll, what do you taste like? Your toys are for fun and cheer. They are not
Aha!
I wonder what else it's inside my lovely toy box. It's full of surprises. Check out this ball.
Oh no.
Morning, morning, time to brush my teeth. Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every day, that is so easy. My white teeth smile to you and your
Oh no!
red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. 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 Red shark, shark, shark.
Whoa!
Orange shark, hello, hello, orange shark. Hello, hello, orange shark. Hello,
How are
hello,
you?
turn
Hey,
around
girl.
and show your banana, banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor.
Yikes!
Oh, someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes.
Whoa!
About it, sorry, some. What is this cool pattern? I wonder what it does.
Great!
It can do magic. Let's check it out. Wow, I love it. Time to use it now. Mama, mama, magic control from a different world.
Yes!
Mama, mama, magic control. Things can go my way. I can be bad and take, but I like to be good and share everything with you.
Ew!
I can see your tail, my little mermaid friend. Oh no, where have you gone? I can find you anywhere. We lost our little mermaid friend. Maybe she's in trouble and needs our help. Hurry up, we have to find her and make sure she's okay.
Wow!
Swimming with her tail, my little mermaid friend. Something took her away, a scary monster. I can see your tail, my little mermaid friend. Oh no, where